What up, athletes? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're bringing you an update on the AC Marriott here at Ogle. So this is the bypass road here at Ogle. Just did a video of that. Take a look at it on the previous upload. So the progress that was made since the last time we were here, about 2 months ago maybe. Check the videos, list of videos to see when the last time was before that update. But they've made some progress, and here is also significant progress on the AC Marriott. Now the AC Marriott Hotel is another style of Marriott hotel. This is different from the Marriott Hotel in Georgetown and Kingston. It's also different from the Marriott Hotel at Timehri, that is on the Timehri Airport complex. That is a courtyard Marriott. This is AC Marriott, and this is kind of a short stay hotel for, say, in transit passengers coming into the Ogle Airport, just as the courtyard Marriott will be short stay hotel for those coming in at Cherry Airport. But what is interesting is that the entrance, the foyer, right, this large flat structure is the entrance to the lobby, and that seems to be interestingly similar to the Marriott Hotel at Kingston in Georgetown, and seems to be similar to the Marriott Hotel at Timehri. Next week we're going to give you an update on the Timehri Marriott, but for now this is the Ogle AC Marriott. And what you can see is that the superstructure, the frame has been completed since the last time you were here. It's now at least a 1 story taller than it was the last time you were here. It seems as if it's going to have an entrance on this bypass road, so to be able to enter the AC Marriott Hotel will require exiting from this bypass road, which seems to run very close to the hotel, which means it's probably going to be quite noisy. I hope they're doing a lot of insulation, sound insulation for the rooms, because this road is going to be noisy, especially if they build it out of concrete like they built the last bypass road at the extension of Mandela Avenue, the Mandela bypass. Now it's Sunday and there seems to be some activity, there seems to be work going on. This crane, as you can see, is moving, swinging. So it's a busy construction zone right now. A lot of work going on. So hopefully this will be completed in the near future. It's now November, so my guess is that this will be completed in 2024. Right? I don't know what you think. Leave in the comments below what you think, but this seems to be one of the Chinese engineering firms at work, and we know that they tend to be much more rapid than local engineers. So I expect sometime in 2024 this road will be completed and ready to use, and the entrance to the Marriott, AC Marriott and Marriott Hotel itself should be active and available. But that of course remains to be seen. Your guess is as good as mine. Tell me what you think. This is what is going on here on a Sunday morning. What's that say? Dahan is the crane operator. Hotel is probably about a quarter mile from the airport, maybe less. It's walking distance from the airport, Ogle Airport, regional airport. You can see some of the planes coming in. This is one of the planes coming in to the Ogle Airport, and so it's going to provide a welcome place to stay, particularly for those who are traveling from very far, who land before they arrive here, or too far from their destination to take ground transportation immediately. So this is going to be an important and interesting development here at Ogle. Can't wait to see what happens when it's completed. But that's it, guys. That's what's happening here with the Ogle AC Marriott. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the progress they're making here at Ogle with the Ogle interchange and the bypass road. Tell me what you think, when you think this project, this AC hotel, AC Marriott hotel will be completed. And tell me in the comments below how you feel about the development, this kind of development happening. Some people have been complaining that there's too many hotels being built. And where are these people who are going to stay at these hotels? Well, I think that the economy is going to continue to grow, and for that reason, notwithstanding the threat of Venezuela, these hotels will become very necessary and useful in the near future. Share this video with your friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here at Ogle and in Guyana, the fastest growing